Hey, yo, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Good, good, good. Thanks for waiting.
Yeah.
No problem,
No
right?
problem.
No problem. All right, tell us your name, Mister.
I'm Colby Jensen, and I'm 14 years old.
You're only 14?
Yeah.
When are you going to be 15?
I'm going to be 15 in December.
Oh, you are?
So yeah, December 16th.
December 16th, cool. All right, tell us about yourself, Colby Jensen.
Well, I love to snowboard, and just like my brother, I'm a Boy Scout. I'm working on my eagle, and I sometimes like to beatbox.
You like to beatbox?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you do a little?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Thanks for doing that.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go, sweetheart. Let's go ahead and do the commercial. You ready?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, I know you are. 3, 2, 1, action.
Nobody should have to endure this. I mean, nobody. It's bad enough that my sister's boyfriend accidentally demolished my bike with his classic Camry. And then about an hour later, my girlfriend calls me up and says, "Hi, I think you're really sweet, but I mostly just like you as a friend." And then if it doesn't get any worse, my dad leaves me a note saying, "Son, your mother and I had to go out. Looks like you'll have to stay and take care of Grandma." Now the only thing I have going for me is my Red Baron stuffed crust self-rising supreme pizza. That'll be out of the oven and in my tummy in 2 to 3 minutes. Yep. Any minute now, I'll be feeling better. I guess she broke up with me. But that cheese is gonna taste so good. Maybe Grandma will want to play some video games. Ah, smell that garlic? You know, I never really liked that bike much anyway. Pizza's done.
Nice work. Okay, good work. Nice work. We like it, Colby. Okay, you have a monologue for us, yes?
Yes.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, action.
Nervous? Don't be nervous. What is there to be nervous about? We've been waiting to start high school for like ever. It is going to be so awesome. Just think of all the mega babes walking through those halls and into our classes every day. And we'll finally have bigger lockers, a decent gym, multiple floors, just like a mall. Tons of people to meet, parties to get invited to, real football games, and teachers who don't hate us yet. I mean, new faces everywhere you look. It is huge. We probably won't even see each other the whole day long. You're still gonna eat lunch with me, right?